go. Bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, okay. So I got a lot going on this weekend, and Fred picked himself a new missile.
Run.
You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round.
Alright, so you guys saw the burnout that Fred did in his new missile car that he bought for him and his girl. So this is a bone stock 325i with beige interior. It's got an M steering wheel. We disabled the ASC, and we were having a lot of problems with the car stalling out as soon as he was trying to do a brake burnout. So gas all the way, let go of the clutch, keeps the gas, puts the foot right back on the brake, and then the car would die. Reason is, so this car comes with electronic throttle body, and basically it shuts the car off as soon as you press on the brakes. Like it'll cut the gas basically. So the car won't die, but anyways. Problem with that is at the brake sensor switch, I don't know if I'm able to get a video in there. Not really. Anyway, the brake sensor switch is like magnetic, and what I had to do was pull it out. So when you press on the brakes, the brake lights don't turn on. And just like since it's a magnetic plug, basically you just put it on any metal piece and you tie wrap it around, so it's not going to move. So the reason why you can't just unplug that is because if you unplug it, the gas pedal doesn't work. So if you take it out, ground it to metal, then you'll be able to do your brake burnout. The only flaw is taillights won't work. The way around that is you get a second plug and you rewire your taillights, which, I mean, I don't suggest on a road car, but this is going to be like a drift missile. We just need the brakes to work. And also at the same time, it'll tell you that your lights are burnt. So you'll have like a couple lights in the dash on. But came out nice though. Nice burnout. And then Fred had parked it over there next to that Colt that still needs to go. Go! And I decided to move it here just because the Colt was almost on the septic tank, and then he parked it like right on the septic tank, and I was like, yo, no, don't do that. Here, look, it's Fred's cat. There's like 2-3 cats wandering around here outside, and he's like a male, and he wants to go boom boom with the other cats. So I'm just going in the garage. I'm gonna work on the Lexus this afternoon. I've pretty much planned out the ECU box, started running the wires that I'm going to need. I took the dash out. Found out that a JZ starter and a 3SGE beam starter have the exact same connector, so that red wire all the way over there plugs right into my right into the starter.
Sean, stop.
Where in the world is Alex Pizarski? That's gonna be a game we're gonna play in a couple months.
It is. You look like really evil right now. Do a laugh? Evil laugh. Come on.
I come to suck your blood.
What's going on here?
We're just filling the gas tank because we think the gas tank might have been empty, but I don't think that's the reason why. You know what I'm thinking?
What happened was, no, let me tell. What happened was, is that I didn't film the whole scene with the microphone.
No.
But Sean is going to. Oh,
That's probably like a 3-liter swirl pot.
I don't know. It's pretty big.
oh, look at that. Now you can see me better. Sounds like I'm pissing.
This is gonna be fun to fill up the gas tank.
Right? I was thinking the same thing.
Honestly, just get an ABS pipe, right where it's still piped, and you find a way to like put it there. Hey, perfect.
So Sean, what are you doing? I'm holding my NASCAR Phillips style fill up with a screwdriver so we can fill up my gas tank. Sean, why do you have a NASCAR style? Because I bought a race car.
Oh wait.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa,
oh,
my finger,
whoa,
dude.
whoa, bro. Good. Don't waste any. Oh my god.
What?
Nothing.
So we have like two harnesses, right?
Yes.
So this and this one. Okay, there's only one.
Like the tangled, like the twisted ones,
This
black and red. They're coming from here.
The twisted black and red, which would be that one, right? This one? No, this one?
There's one here and then there's another one down here.
That one goes like this.
No, they're tightly twisted.
All the way there.
Huh?
Tightly twisted.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
This one here.
There's two here.
It's not this one?
Yeah.
Oh, but there's another one up there.
Yeah, but I think the other one is fans. Does that twisted red wire go all the way to the other fuel pump?
No.
Well, it doesn't continue?
Stops right here, actually. Right in the relay. You got wires, yeah, you got wires from the relay.
So basically, we're trying to get the Lexus started, but we think that we have a fuel pump issue on the main tank feeding to the swirl pot and then going to the front. Once we figure that out, then we'll see what happens.
Yeah, there you go.
You want to turn the kill switch back on?
Kill switch!
Battery charger, plug it.
Yeah, you can plug up the battery.
I don't think you need
Yeah,
it.
you can plug it. Just want to see.
Yeah, that one's working. Shows the
That's
rear.
the rear. What's the pressure at
Oh,
now?
Yeah.
that's-
Go check the pressure.
oh,
Oh, I hear fuel.
and 40.
40.
Now it's dropping. Six, well,
Oh, we got high.
50. Yeah, dude, you didn't have gas in it earlier.
Yeah, buddy.
Did we forget to re-put the coil pack in?
No. Come on. Come on. Who do you think I am? Think I'm some kid?
Did you put the
I put the bolt in. It's not tight.
bolt and everything?
It's not that tight, but
Hey.
like it's in.
Hey!
Hey, Mario. All right. Well, that was
An easy success.
an easy success. Oh, it died. Yeah, buddy. I'm sorry, I can't hear you, haters. Oh, buddy.
I'm just gonna do a Snapchat.
For Ryan?
You do some.
Alright. Ignition. Fuel pump!
We have power.
You'll have to tighten your throttle button because if it goes too much like this, there's no throttle.
That's okay.
Oh yeah, oh okay, yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
You got a bit.
So you happy, Sean?
Dude, like now that it runs, it's like downpipe, bleed brakes. I mean, we could do the brake lines, I guess, tonight if we wanted to.
Maybe like rad. Oh, you don't have a rad.
No, I have to go pick up the rad. Now I gotta go
Stock
get.
IS rad or?
No, the guy has a rad.
The Lexus is coming out soon, folks.
The Ronda Vice on there. Microphone on.
I did turn my phone on.
Good job! Okay! So guys, it started. It's awesome. No, I think I'm gonna have to go with a heat gun, dude.
Really?
Or not.
Or no.
Sweet. We're gonna be taking this livery off for sure.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's so
For
good.
sure.
So much better. So...
Do you know how much the guy paid for this livery?
No, too much.
I don't know, but Fred was asking the guy we print and design, and it was something like $900.
You paid... For that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, here's your $900. And goodbye. Oh, no, it's not coming off. Guys, when you plasti dip vehicles, you must do a good job, okay? It's not plasti dip. But I actually kind of like the paint job the way it is, but I don't at the same time.
Yeah.
Fuck. The silver ones are easier to take off.
Like, I'm definitely just gonna... I don't know. Rip a huge piece of paint.
Looks good.
Looks amazing.
We print and steal. Oh yeah, definitely use a heat gun for that one. I'll give you guys a trick. Don't bite your nails.
Saw, dude.
What's that, dude?
What's up, guys? I didn't really film an outro, so I wanted to say peace out. But at the same time, look how sexy this thing looks. So big thanks to my buddy Alex for coming over and hanging out and just being moral support and saying, hey, we should put gas in this car. So Lexus runs. Now I'm going to work on the trailer at my parents' house. So I'm going to film a little, maybe a little bit. But you guys will see that in a video in the future. Stay tuned. So if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my Patreon. Anything helps. Check my website. You can cop some merch. Got a couple of nice hats and shirts on store. I've got iPhone covers and stuff like that, so go check it out. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.
I'm turning off my phone, yo. I ain't got no worries. Yeah, my life is normal. Hanging with my homies. Yeah, this is how it should be. Wow. Yeah, this is how it should be. Wow. I'm turning off my phone, yo. I ain't got no worries.